Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're excited for today's video, and the reason why is because for me, I'm stoked because one of my favorite lenses that I normally use on a very daily basis, the Sigma art lens in the 18-35mm F1.8. Sigma came out with a 17-40 art lens 1.8. And I've been waiting for this. I'm super stoked. This thing is absolutely gorgeous and I can't wait to use it on a whole lot of other projects. Let's just open this thing up, right? As you can see here, we have the Sigma art lens, absolute best line, part of the Sigma lens series that they have. They have a couple other levels, as they would call it, similar to Canon's, kit lenses or L lenses. So this is the Sigma art lens in a 17-40mm in an f8, and man, absolute beautiful lens. It is for a Canon RF mount, so this will work for my Canon R5, and the filter size is a 67mm. Now with this 67mm filter size, I have a variable ND circular polarizer filter as well as a 8th black mist filter coming right now. Beautiful box, love the texture. This thing is absolutely built very nicely. But let's give this thing, oh yeah, Sigma, Japan, there we go. My guess is, yeah, just some warranty stuff. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Let's get to the real good stuff, yeah? All right, so we have the lens hood. Nice, got an action button right here. The lens itself. Okay, here we go. Wow, this thing is really nice. 17-40, beautiful. Autofocus is here, which depending on what you're doing, autofocus is necessary, and sometimes I prefer manual. So it really depends on the type of shoot that I have that I'll use autofocus. All right, guys, now one thing that I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video with this lens from Sigma, this is actually a crop sensor lens. It's for an APS-C sensor. So the 17-40, when you are using a full frame camera, it is not going to be a 17-40. What it's actually going to equivalent to is a 25-60 more or less. The reason why I love this range as well as the 18-35 is because for me, I'm able to sort of have that play similar to a 24mm prime as well as a 50mm prime with one lens instead of popping them on and off. Now, obviously there are pros to prime lenses, but these days I do prefer a zoom lens over primes, although a lot of people will say that they like their primes more, but I like having the option of being able to zoom in and out in certain scenarios at any point in time. But guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video where we got to unbox and check out this brand new Sigma 17-40mm lens f1.8. And I can't wait to show you guys what I get out of this, as well as let you guys know when I'm using this. I will, when I'm doing other videos, I'll let you know, hey, I'm using this setup currently. Like right now, I am shooting on my Canon R5 with the 18-35mm f1.8 from Sigma. But at some point, this thing's gonna be hopping on there. So guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.